great, right? Yes, I welcome you all for our day 15 English online reading class, and today's topic is how to introduce reading a sentence. Yes, I'm going to combine the previous two classes, that's day 13 and 14. In our day 13, we have learned how to introduce sight words to our little one, right? And after that, in our day 14 class, we learned 3-letter words using CVC words, especially with vowel A. Now I'm going to combine the vowel A words and sight words together to form a sentence. So once your child is thorough reading the sight words and CVC words using A vowel, you can introduce the sentences by giving a picture. Here I am going to draw a picture of a cat. What is it? Cat. Now ask your child about this cat. What is it? It is a cat. So shall we write the sentence? Yes. We are going to use the sight word it. Since it is a sentence, I am using capital letter in the beginning. The sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. While teaching this sentence, you can teach that also. It, again another sight word. Is, again a sight word. A cat. Here, to make our children easy to read, I am going to circle the sight words. The sight word should be circled, so it makes our children easy to read. And k separately and at together. K, at, cat, and a full stop. Now, how is the cat looks like? Is it a fat cat? Yes, it is a fat cat, right? Again, it is a fat, cat. Again, I am going to circle the sight words. Here you have a full stop. And the next sentence. Whose cat is this? Yes, it is my cat, right? Now what is it? A hat. My cat has a hat. Full stop. I'm going to circle my because it is a sight word. Again a sight word. So by giving practice of the sight words repeatedly makes our children easy to read. The same way, you can also include some more pictures and make your child read as many as sentences possible, so that your child can able to comprehend the sentences easily. This is just an example to make your child read a sentence. If possible, you can include as many as sight words along with these sentences. Hope this video will help you to make your child read a sentence. In our next class, I'll show you how to introduce CVC words using E vowel. Till that, take care. Bye bye.